guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to flirt with a guy low-key. He's not going to know that you're trying to flirt with him, but guess what? Me and you will know, right? So I want to teach you guys how to flirt with a guy low-key. So if you're interested in such video, please stay tuned to the end of today's video. So before we go to this point, so I just want to say, what do we mean by flirting? Flirting just really means that you are being attracted to this person, but playfully. It's not a serious thing, but playfully. You know, I said in my last video, one of my videos, I was talking about ladies try to what? Create false hope. Even they try to give you false attention, even though they don't have the intention to date you or something. So now I'm just saying, I know that there are some people that they like play, okay, play. So I'm here to teach you how to flirt with a guy low-key, how to play. Do you understand? So without wasting much of our time, let's move to this video. So the first thing I'm going to say is that make fun of him. Like, say something that about him that is really nice. Make fun of, make him laugh, make him smile. Say something that will make him just smile and look at her and say, this girl, what are you doing? Say something that will make him feel like you're making fun of him. Number two is that make sure you compliment him. See, let me tell you, guys don't really get compliments all the time, but when they do, somewhere when they call them, oh dog good, oh you look good, oh your shirt is nice, it's sparkling white, oh your shoe is shining, it looks like the sun. I say something nice, like compliment them. Tell them that I love the way your shirt is ironed. I usually use that. I really usually use that because I don't really know how to iron. So when I see guys that their clothes is really ironed, smoothless, and finally I'm like, wow, this your shirt is ironed properly. Like, it's so neatly ironed. It's fine. I like your shoes, they are shining. From afar, even before seeing you, I could see your shoe. Oh God. If you tell a guy this, I'm sure the way he will be doing, you will know that you're flirting with him low-key, but it is what it is. Compliment him and you see how you feel about that. Another thing you can do to flirt with a guy low-key is that tell him about another guy. Tell him how good another guy is to you. Now I'm not saying that you must necessarily be dating that person, but I'm just saying that just say something nice about another random guy. Like, it's good to stay quiet, especially if you already like it is the vibes is itself want to flex, you understand, that kind of thing. So you will stay quiet to be like, what you'll be going through is this girl trying to compare me, or is she saying I'm this guy, or is she trying to, just talk about someone else in his presence. You will see that he's going to stay quiet. Another thing you can use to flirt with a guy is to say his name. Now, when I say his name, especially if you are from Yoruba land, like the West, you can give him his Oriki name, just give him some sweet sugar name like Yoruba. For example, if you bear a particular name, there is definitely an Oriki name or like a tribe name that you know that, oh, this person, if I call him his full name, like for me, if you call me Okiemute, you got, like, that's my name. I love it. It's my name. But whenever someone calls me that name, especially someone that the vibes is the same, I always feel fly, okay? You get what I mean? I always feel fly. So I'm just saying that the same way you can call them by their full name. Call them their full name. That thing can make them, they'll be like, what's wrong with this girl? What are you trying to do? Where are you leading me to? So another way you can flex with a guy, it's not me that you should do so. No. Well, let me say what I have to say, okay? Yeah, we talk about real life situations. So I just want to say that another way you can flex with a guy is by touching them. Now, when I say touch, I don't mean that touch is in intimate place. It could just be that you guys are holding hands. You could just touch the person on the ear, maybe on the ear. Just touches, literally, not necessarily in your intimate part. You can just just touch him like this in his arm. that kind of thing. Not necessarily like you go intimate though, but I know what I'm saying. Or you hold hands with him, or you have what, like a partial hug. You know what I mean now. So touching, literally, the guy will know that you are trying to flex with him, especially when you guys have not even discussed anything serious. Yeah. Another way you can flirt with a guy is to look at him. See, I've told you, there is power what in the vision. There is power in the vision. When you look at him like this, you look at him, you look at him, you look at him from head to toe again. You look at he will know that you are flirting with him. Like, look at him in a very, girls, you know how you do your thing now. That your eyes, the power of the eyes, how you can manipulate a guy with your eyes. I'm saying that by looking at their eyes, you know, you can flex with a guy. Sometimes you can just still look. You might not even be, maybe you're just talking about something and then you just still they look like, this guy. I just feel like, oh, this guy, oh my god. You're flirting with him. Okay. Is that way? Okay. If at this point you have not subscribed or give me some thumbs up, please, 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 you guys don't send me home. I want you guys to give me some thumbs up, because you know that when you give me thumbs up, YouTube actually recommend my video to more people, and then it's easy for me to get monetized on this space. So please guys, show me some love by giving me thumbs up. Please make sure to share this video. And as I move to the last point that I'm going to talk about, and then this one is going to what, single you out from groups. Like, for example, maybe you guys are in a group together, maybe you are in a social group or a church group together, and then she says, I want to see you. Like, she singles you out from the group and say, come and see something. And then you guys start talking, and then she always wants to, like, oh, whenever you're alone, that's when she wants to come. She doesn't want to come when people are the guy is flirting with you. So okay, ladies, I've teach you how to flirt with the guy low key. If you know that you want to get serious, there's a better way to go. But this one is just when you want to flirt with the guy low key. So if you want me to do a video on when you want to get serious with this particular guy, please, I want you to say it in the comment section, and I'm going to do that video for you. Thank you, and see you in my next one. Bye for now.